welcome back to Schools Challenge 2026. It's first round action and the scores are Manning School on 1 and Marcus Garvey Technical High on 0. It's now time for the speed challenge, in which teams can answer as many questions as possible in 3 separate 60-second periods. Manning School, it's time for your first minute. Mannings, in the Bible, which prophet interpreted King Nebuchadnezzar's dream?
Daniel.
Correct. What is the name of the internal skeleton that gives a human cell its shape?
Endoskeleton.
No, cytoskeleton. Spell harang, which means a lengthy...
H-A-R-A-N-G-U-E.
Correct. Which other country officially recognized Palestinian statehood in 2024 alongside Spain and Norway?
Israel.
Incorrect. Ireland. Who is credited with the invention of dynamite?
Alfred Nobel. Yes.
Correct. What is the capital of the Philippines?
Manila.
Correct. Who composed the Pomp and Circumstance March?
George Gershwin.
No, Sir Edward Elgar. The reaction between zinc and hydrochloric acid is a redox reaction. Is this true or false?
True.
Correct. The mean of 5 numbers is 12. One number is removed and the mean of the remaining numbers is 10. What number was removed?
20.
Correct. Who wrote the stage musical Hamilton?
Pass.
Lin-Manuel Miranda. What was the common name of the plan to rebuild Europe? And we don't have time for that. After World War II, the Marshall Plan. End of the first minute for Mannings. Now to Marcus Garvey Technical for their first minute. Marcus Garvey, in which book of the Bible is the first listing of the 10 commandments?
Genesis.
Exodus.
Incorrect. Exodus. What organelle digests worn-out cell parts?
Pass.
Lysome. Spell incinerate, which means burn.
I-N-C-I-N-A-R-A-T-E.
No, I-N-C-I-N-E-R-A-T-E. Which Asian country held elections in 2024 that returned Narendra
China.
Modi? No, India. In what year did the luxury ship the Titanic sink?
1912.
Correct. What is the capital of Norway?
Oslo.
Correct. Who composed the London Symphonies?
Pass.
Franz Joseph Haydn. In the reaction between magnesium and oxygen to form magnesium
Pass.
oxide, well, the answer is false. The average score of 9 students on a test is 64. When one student's score is excluded, the new average is 66. What score is excluded?
12.
No, 48. And that bell signifies the end of the first minute for Marcus Garvey Technical. Now we go to Manning School for their second minute. Mannings, in which specific international sporting event is the yellow jersey given to the leader?
Cycling.
Tour de France. What is the charge of an alpha particle?
So 2 plus.
Yes. And what is the English equivalent for the Spanish no vale la pena?
It's not worth the pain.
Yes. Who wrote the novel series The Chronicles of Narnia?
C.S. Lewis.
Correct. Who was the first Jamaican-born Governor General of independent Jamaica? Correct. Which book of the Bible begins like this? In the beginning was the Word.
John.
Correct. What is the name of the fluid which fills up the body cavity of an earthworm?
Choliamic fluid.
Correct. Spell the word fuchsia, which is a color.
F-U-C-H-S-I-A.
Correct. Attacks on shipping lanes in the Red Sea during 2025 have been carried out by which militant group? The Houthis. What is the world's largest coral reef system?
Great Barrier Reef.
Correct. Which capital city in Europe is located on the Sava River?
Zagreb.
Correct. And that's the end of the second minute for Manning School. Now back to Marcus Garvey Technical for their second minute. Marcus Garvey, who directed the 2020 Jamaican film Sprinter?
Pass.
Storm Salter. Which treaty established the European Union?
Pass.
Maastricht Treaty. In which specific international sporting event is the green jacket given to the winner?
Pass.
The Masters in golf. If a radioactive sample has a half-life of 2 hours, how much of the sample remains after 6 hours?
Pass.
1/8. What is the equivalent English proverb for the Spanish? No todo lo que brilla es oro.
Pass.
All that glitters is not gold. Who wrote the novel Treasure Island?
Melinda Mitchell.
No, Robert Louis Stevenson. What constitutional reform in 1944 allowed all Jamaican citizens 21 and older to vote?
Pass.
Pass.
Universal adult suffrage. In the Bible, how many times did Israel march around the walls of Jericho?
7.
No, the answer is 6 on the first 6 days. What specific type? And there's no time for that. End of the second minute for Marcus Garvey Technical. And now we get back to Manning's for their third and final. Manning's, which Russian composer wrote the ballet Swan Lake?
Peter Lik Tchaikovsky.
Yes, a car battery stops working because it has been completely discharged. Name the chemical process that occurs when the battery is recharged.
Pass.
Electrolysis. The perpendicular distance from the center of a circle to a chord is 3 centimeters and the radius is 5 centimeters. What is the half length of the chord?
4 centimeters.
Correct. Which 1959 play by Lorraine Hansberry was the first...
Rising the Sun.
Yes, which uprising in 1937 in Trinidad and Tobago started the wave of Caribbean labor rebellions.
Pass.
Butler Oilfield riots. Which country won the 2023 ICC Men's Cricket World Cup?
Australia.
Correct. To the nearest whole number, what is the velocity of a freely falling object after 3 seconds, assuming g equals 9.8
18
meters
meters.
Pardon?
18 meters.
No, 29 meters per second. Translate to English to Spanish. Se me olvidó la tarea.
I forgot my homework.
No, I forgot the homework. And that's the end of the third and final minute for Manning School. Now back to Marcus Garvey Technical High for their third and final. Marcus Garvey, what specific type of enzyme requires metal ions?
Pass.
Metalloprotein, spell the word diaphragm.
DIAPHRAM.
No, diaphragm, DIAPHRAGM. Which AI company released the text-to-video generator Sora in 2024?
Meta.
No, OpenAI. Which country has the world's largest population?
India.
Correct. Which capital city in Europe is located on the Piraeus River?
Pass.
Nicosia. Which Italian composer wrote the opera La Bohème?
Pass.
Giacomo Puccini. A silver spoon turns black after long exposure to air. What is the compound formed?
Diffusion.
No, silver sulfide. A sector of a circle has area 154 centimeters squared and radius 14 centimeters. What is the size of the sector? 90 degrees. The film Pan's Labyrinth is set in which country during the post-Civil War era?
Belgium.
No, Spain. And that's it. That's the end of the third and final minute for Marcus Garvey Technical and the end of our speed challenge. The scores at this time are Manning School on 20, Marcus Garvey Technical High on 3. We go to the break with a good word from True Milk. Break it into chunks. Study small sections at a time to avoid feeling overwhelmed. When we come back, it's the exciting buzzer challenge, which will decide our winners. Stay tuned. Round 1 action in TVJ Schools Challenge 2026 returns right after this.